Hello, welcome everybody. I came by Rubey and I'm back. Can't get rid of me. I'm still here. All jokes aside, let's get into the topic at hand. And the topic at hand today is a good one, controlling your environment. Now, this is a good one. The video that I done before this was belief in yourself. Once you start to accomplish that and some exercises that we spoke about in that prior video, belief in yourself, if you want, you can check it out. That video, then from there, once you have that built up faith and belief and confidence in yourself, then this video comes in pretty handy because it's control in your environment. Controlling your environment, any environment, situation that you're in, when you walk into it, all takes, I believe, a lot of confidence and faith and belief in you. At the same time, being humble, not walking in the room like, hey, with that macho man or macho woman attitude. No, 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 but more of a calm and humble, but at the same time showing that strong and posture and confidence that might be, and someone would take notice and say, man, look at that person. They're really, confident, but in a humble way. That's your goal at hand. And I'm going to let you in at a little secret. You can control your environment by what you put out. Believe it or not, it's crazy. There's been, I believe, a lot of things scientifically that have been proven about just in general, frequency, vibes, whatever you can put out, how you can feed back and get back that energy. So it's almost like I said in other prior videos, to control your environment, you want to put out what you want to get back. So don't go into a place that might not be a good place, because then you're going to get stuff that's back like that. For instance, you go into a place, it's a banquet hall, maybe for your job or a party or a wedding, and you have those little bit of jitters, right before you go in. You're like, oh gosh, where am I going to sit? Where are they going to put me? But instead, going like, I'm going to have a good time. I'm going to sit down wherever they put me. Hey, it is what it is. And have yourself a blast. And then you'll get back that. You put out nervous energy, you'll get back nervous energy. And you're going to feel that, oh, not good. So just like that, that's a little exercise, an example of what you can do to control your surrounding environments. Controlling your surrounding environments, you wouldn't believe how much you can affect it and how much it can affect you back. So always remember, put yourself in a situation that you feel comfortable and at ease. And by first, you have to do that mentally. If you do that mentally, then physically the body is just going to send that message out where you're in that relaxed state, and you can go back into that banquet hall or whatever, and you're going to show that positivity and that confidence in a humble, kind manner. And people will see that glow coming out of you. I want you to try this in any situation. Wherever you go, wherever you're at, whatever may happen, always stay calm, cool, and collective. Mind, body, and spirit, all is one. And once you achieve this, there's no stopping you, right? Because you're going to put out the energy and you're going to bring back that good energy. So I want you to try that. And always remember, you are the master of your own universe. You're the author of your own story that you need to tell. So make it worth your while. And always, always remember this. I'll tell you, you can achieve anything you put this to. Take care, guys. I came by Rubey. And thank you all so much for all your support, and I'm very appreciative of it. Have a good night, day, morning, whenever you're watching this, and take care. I wish you all the best.